The overall goal of this protocol is to synthesize novel ortho-trifluoromethoxylated anilines for the discovery and development of new drugs, agrochemicals, and functional materials.
This method can help to answer key questions in the field of fluorine chemistry, such as how incorporation of trifluoromethoxy group into a molecule affects its physical, chemical, and biological properties. The main advantage of this technique is that our method uses easy-to-handle reagents, is amenable to gram-scale synthesis, and it has broad substrate scope and high tolerance of functional groups.
For the reduction of methyl 4-nitrobenzoate, add 5.00 grams of methyl 4-nitrobenzoate, 159 milligrams of 5% rhodium on carbon, and a magnetic stir bar into an oven-dried 250 milliliter 2-necked round-bottom flask. Connect one neck of the flask to a nitrogen vacuum manifold and cap the other neck with a septum. Perform 3 vacuum refill cycles to replace the air in the flask with nitrogen gas. Then, add 138 milliliters of anhydrous tetrahydrofuran to the reaction flask using an airtight syringe. Cool and stir the reaction mixture at 0 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Next, add 1.47 milliliters of hydrazine monohydrate dropwise to the reaction mixture at 0 degrees Celsius using an airtight syringe.